Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can create an Instagram business account. There are two ways of creating an Instagram business account, either by switching your normal account to professional or business account, or by creating it from scratch. Let us see these two methods. For the first method, you have to open your Instagram app, go to profile icon, tap on the menu bar option, tap on settings, click on accounts, scroll down to switch to professional account. In this, your normal Instagram account will get switched to professional account. So if you want to switch your account, then click on this option. But if you want to leave your normal account and create another one, then you have to click on the second option. We will be discussing the second option later in the video. First, we are going to see how you can switch to professional account. So click on it. Click on continue. Here you have to choose the category which better describes you. Let's say it is artist. Click on done. But before this, if you want to display this category on your profile, then toggle this option, display on profile, and then click on done. Click on OK. After this, you will get switched to a professional account. This is how your professional account will look like. You'll see edit profile option, add tools option, and insight option. This is all what you need to grow a business account or a business profile. From here, if you want to switch to your normal account, then click on menu bar option here, go to settings, scroll down to accounts, click on switch account type, click on switch to personal account. Here click on switch to personal account once again. Now your professional account will get switched to personal account. Here is it. Now let's say if you want to create a business account by keeping the normal account, then you have to click on the menu bar option, go to settings, once again click on account, scroll down to add new professional account, click on continue. Here once again you have to select a category. If you want to display that category on your profile, then toggle this button in on position. If not, then you can toggle this button in off position. So I am keeping this on. Click on done. Here you have to enter your phone number, or you can also enter your email address. After entering, click on next. Click on create a new account. Enter your full name here. After that, enter your password. Enter your full name here. Enter your password. Click on continue without syncing content. Click on next. After clicking on sign up option, you will create a professional account for yourself on Instagram. So these were the two methods with the help of which you can create your Instagram business account. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask that in the comment section. Thank you so much.